I'm nodding like I understand, but I'm not so sure I do.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the motherfucking family channel. It's me, your girl Dad. And in today's video, bitch, look, this is the video I was talking about being excited for. Okay, so everything is on point. Taxes filed. And yes, everything is in check. Everything is on point. As it should be, right, ho? So, in today's video though, bitch, look. One of the makeup videos that I told you guys, if you guys are following me on my Instagram, right, I asked you guys for makeup inspos, right? And this one, I think is gonna be personally so cute because I'm gonna be doing a 2003 makeup inspired video. Yes, I was born in 2003. I did look on Pinterest and I did find the inspo of like this blue eyeshadow because that's literally all that popped up for 2003. So I'm like, fuck it. I have this one Ed Hardy skirt set by Fashion Nova. I thought it would be so cute, and then like with my hair all flowy and shit, like on some 2003 shit. Okay, we're not gonna like do, well, we're trying not to go too crazy, but you know what I mean. Like this Rihanna, right? I'm not tripping. Can you see with the light? But yeah, it's like a very like, I know what it is, bitch. Just looking at it, I know what it is. We're going to do exactly that. I'll be doing the same base that I did in the how to look like a filter IRL. Okay, products down below. Let's get to it because bitch, we're on a time crunch, low key. I'm gonna keep everything very light, you know, very cutesy light. I love this song. Don't believe me, just watch. I got some shit to say. Like, say I won't finish my makeup within the song. Shit, gang baby. Titty deep. That's what we bitch. Some advice I can low-key, well, high-key give. Really start thinking about like what you want to do after high school, because when I had started like all this bullshit, well, it's not bullshit, but you know what I mean. Like when I had started all this, like I was just a child. And I didn't realize I was a child, you know, wanting to play in a big field, okay? And hey, you can have hopes and dreams, bitch. But you better hope and dream that you know exactly what you're doing to get there, okay? There's no set way to go ahead and do that because, you know, shit happens, it's life, whatever. But don't be stupid, okay? Just don't go in blind. And if you did go in blind and you then realize it, just know you'll be okay. You'll push through. It might either be a he swiped up. Anyways, what was I getting? I was being so fucking inspirational. Men, you see, they fuck everything up. This is why I tell y'all to just really figure yourselves out first before you go ahead and do big things. Okay, relationships are big things. Your fucking legacy is a big thing. Your everything. you should make it a big deal, big thing, you know. So always remember, don't turn into a bad person because of bad people. When it comes to this, don't let a bum trick you out your spot, trying to distract you from what you have for yourself. Okay, we're not gonna do blush because it's like a very dull look. So did I bake already? No, huh? That's what I was like ready to do until I got interrupted. Just darken this right here. And we're gonna put highlight. I'm gonna use my Too Faced highlight because it's like a loose, like glitterish shit. It is an eyeshadow, but it's very tea looking highlight. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with the James Charles palette because this is all I have. But we are gonna play with the blues and the white, okay? Do a little mix and match. You bitches, I know you bitches don't know math, English, or anything, but fuck, at least your colors, bitch. The mixing and the motion of them. I'm gonna use the glitter and top of that, top of this, top of that, top of it, top of that, and then just I'm gonna add like white right here. I'm gonna get a smaller brush and really like try to pick up the glitter so I could just pack it on like that. My waterline right here. Oh! What the fuck? I'm gonna be using my Blancos, you know, shop this via. Yeah, bitch. They're so cute. Okay, so for the lip combo, bitch, we are gonna be using the. Hello. For lip combo, I'm gonna be using my eyebrow pencil in Java, the MAC lip gloss in Cream Cup. I'm gonna use like the other side of my Mario pencil because it's like a lip brush and just I'm gonna use this Ruby Kisses lip gloss in Like a Virgin. And we're gonna filter out our face. Let's cook.
You don't have to love me. You don't even have to like me. But you will respect me. You know why? 'Cause I'm a boss. I'm bossy. I'm the first girl to spin on the track. I switched up the beat of the drum. That's right. I brought all the boys to the yard. And that's right. I'm the one that's tattooed on his arm. I'm bossy. I'm the bitch y'all love to hate. I'm the chick that's raised the stakes.
Bitch. But yeah, this is the end of the look. The end of the look, wow. End of the video as well as the look, bitch. You already know I love you guys so much. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the look as much as I did, cause duh, did the makeup of my birth year. I'm a goat, bitch. I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit. I'll see you in the next video.